Hi, Igoodsgh here. In today's video, we're doing a quick unboxing of the Apple HomePod Mini. Let's dive into the video. First, we need to break the seal off the box. Then we have access inside the box. Now, looking around the box, it looks good. I love the black finish. There's a serial number you can check on Apple's site. But let's dive right into the box. So inside the box, the first thing we see is the speaker. I love the gray finish. I love the material and everything. It looks amazing. Let's put this aside. Inside the box as well, we have some paperwork. Let's see what we have inside this. Okay, I'm trying to get access. Okay, it comes out. So we have the HomePod Mini, the pictures and how to use it, some warranty stickers, yep, and some other informations. Then we have the Apple stickers. Always looking for the Apple stickers. Inside we have a 20-watt 2-pin brick. It's a fast charger for the speaker. It looks amazing as well. And that's all we find inside the box. I think that's all. I love the finish of this. It's a type C and I love the finish. It sounds amazing. There will be a full review coming soon, so guys, stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Catch you guys in the next one, and peace out, guys.